Hey coffee lovers! In this video, we're going to be talking about the top 5 best coffee makers with built-in grinders. We know that freshly ground coffee is the best way to make a delicious cup of coffee, and these coffee makers make it easy and convenient to do just that. So without further ado, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Cuisinart DGB800 Grind and Brew. The Cuisinart Grind and Brew is a great coffee maker for those who want to grind their own beans, but don't want to spend a lot of money. This coffee maker has 8 different grind settings, so you can get the perfect grind for your beans. It also has a built-in water filter, so you can be sure you're using fresh, filtered water for your coffee. At number 4, we have the Philips 3200 series. The Philips 3200 series is a great choice for those who want a simple, yet effective, coffee maker. It has a built-in grinder, but it also has a pre-ground coffee option, so you can use your favorite pre-ground coffee. The Philips 3200 series also has an automatic shut-off feature, so you don't have to worry about forgetting to turn it off. Coming in at number 3, we have the Jura Giga 6. The Jura Giga 6 is a top-of-the-line coffee maker, and it shows in its price tag. But for those who are willing to spend the extra money, the Jura Giga 6 is definitely worth it. This coffee maker has 6 different grinding settings, so you can get the perfect grind for your beans. It also has a built-in milk frother, so you can make lattes and cappuccinos right at home. At number 2, we have the DeLonghi Magnifica. This coffee maker is a great choice for those who want a delicious cup of coffee. It has a built-in grinder that grinds the beans to perfection. It also has a steamer so you can make lattes and cappuccinos. It's a great coffee maker for those who want a delicious cup of coffee. And finally, at number 1, we have the Breville Grind Control. This coffee maker is great for those who want to have complete control over their grind. You can choose from 6 different grind settings, and the machine will grind your beans fresh for each cup. The Breville Grind Control also has an adjustable drip tray, so you can customize your cup size. Check out product links in the description below for up-to-date prices and more information now. We hope you found it helpful in choosing the right coffee maker for your needs. Please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to this channel to get notified of upcoming videos. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below and we'll be happy to answer them. As always, thanks for watching.